All right, welcome back to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at batching with prompting with different tools inside Magic School AI. This strategy of batching is super important. It not only saves you time, it helps the environment, and it'll actually give you better results. So that's huge. And as special educators, we know that this is something that we all want to do, save time. Our time is limited. So instead of just putting a prompt in Magic School AI or another AI platform, you should be doing batching. And each request actually uses energy. So if you batch, again, it will reduce repeated requests, which usually actually it causes more problems down the line, and you don't get as good results. And again, it will have a better environmental impact. All right, so today we're going to be using Magic School AI. We're going to start with Raina, the chatbot, and here we are going to put a prompt. And instead of putting one prompt, we're going to put a sequence of prompts and see how that favors the result. So what I like to do before even you go into here, think about, as you would before AI, think about your lesson, think about your grade level, your students' interest. All of these are crucial details when you put the prompt in. But here's just a prompt that has 5 different prompts. Create a 10-minute mini lesson on identifying the main idea. I'm going to add for grade level 2. And then generate a simplified student-friendly explanation. Provide 3 scaffolded practice questions, create 1 exit ticket, and suggest 1 accommodation and 1 modification for students with IEPs. This is key, again, when you start prompting AI. The reason that is because it gets a more complete picture of what you want. It gets the details, and you are having the input, of course, that is needed. And remember, AI is a support tool, not a replacement. So it's still your responsibility as a teacher, as educators, to check the work. Always, always, always check the work. Okay, so I'll just stop right there and I'll let you try out batching. You can get an old lesson if you want and try it and see what the results are. I think you'll be quite pleased. Okay, so let's just see what this comes up with. Send the message. We have an objective here. It even gives you a hook. It gives you the teaching time, the guided practice time, independent practice. Check through all of this. Always, always, always check the work. Make sure that it aligns to the IEPs, the students' learning style. It's the instructional relevance of it, because AI makes mistakes, and the responsibility still falls on the teacher to check all of the work. But it will save you time if you take a little bit before you go into AI for specific things, not if you're just looking for ideas, but if you have an idea, go ahead and put all the prompts that are needed to get a better result. And for more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI, and always consider the environment when using AI. Thanks for watching.